Renault hasn't just tweaked the edges with the 2026 Austral. They've given it a complete visual overhaul that aligns it with the brand's latest, more aggressive design language. If you look at the front end, the influence of the Rafale flagship is undeniable. Gone are the softer curves of the previous years, replaced by a sharp, architectural, 3D diamond grille and a more muscular bonnet. The new lighting signature is particularly striking, featuring half-diamond daytime running lights that create a futuristic, techno look on the road. It's a design that feels less like a traditional family SUV and more like a high-end European crossover, giving the Austral a much-needed boost in curb appeal against competitors like the Hyundai Tucson and Peugeot 3008. The word polished truly hits home once you step inside the cabin. Renault has focused heavily on tactile quality and acoustic comfort for this mid-life refresh. The interior now features improved soundproofing, including thicker door seals and laminated glass on higher trims, making the Austral one of the quietest in its class at highway speeds. The center of attention remains the massive open-R dual-screen setup, but it's now powered by a smoother, more responsive version of Google built-in. Whether you're using Maps, Assistant, or the Play Store, the integration feels seamless and smartphone quick. Furthermore, the 2026 model introduces more ergonomic front seats made from 98% recycled materials, proving that luxury and sustainability can go hand in hand without sacrificing that premium feel. Under the hood, the 2026 Austral continues to champion the e-tech full hybrid 200 powertrain. This self-charging system is a marvel of efficiency, combining a 1.2-liter turbocharged engine with 2 electric motors and a clutchless multi-mode gearbox. What makes the facelift polished, in terms of driving, is the revised suspension tuning. Renault has fitted new shock absorbers that handle potholes and road imperfections with significantly more grace than the pre-facelift model. For those who prioritize agility, the 4Control advanced 4-wheel steering remains a game-changer. It allows this mid-sized SUV to have the turning circle of a city car, making it surprisingly nimble in tight urban environments. With a real-world fuel consumption average of around 4.7 liters per 100 kilometers, it remains one of the most efficient non-plug-in SUVs on the market. The 2026 Renault Austral Facelift is a statement of intent. Renault has taken a car that was already a strong contender and fixed the rough edges, improving noise levels, sharpening the tech, and giving it a face that demands attention. It's a vehicle for the modern family that wants the practicality of a 555-liter boot and sliding rear seats, but also wants to feel like they are driving a piece of cutting-edge European design. It isn't just a facelift. It's a graduation.